guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can let AI basically read your script on CapCut PC. So if you go to text and add in your default text, you're just going to type down your script. I'm just going to type something random. Oops. And welcome to the channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how to cook some pasta. There we go. And then you're just going to simply select text to speech, and you're going to select the voice that you want the narration to be in. For instance, you want it to be a British female, so you're just going to select this.
Hello and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to cook some pasta.
And then once you're done, you're just going to select start reading, and it's going to convert it to a speech. There you go. And you can extend the speech here, or you can even delete it, and you'll still have the audio, and you can adjust the volume here. That's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!